Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the newbie share on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So firstly, open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location. Connect to any Wi-Fi. Then find in control panel newbie share function. So it's here, click and hold on it. Cool. Here you can change your device name, you can make your device visible for others. In my case I am hidden, but I need to make my device visible for all, for contacts only, or for all. But my device is so buggy, I'm sorry. Device visibility for everyone, yeah, for contacts or for everyone you can make. So cool. Now change your data usage mode. You can use Bluetooth only, Wi-Fi only, or data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi mode. I suggest you use this mode. And cool, now we can enable newbie share, and now we can transfer data from other devices to our tablet. To do this, on the another device, choose the image or file to send, press share, newbie share, and here you will see your device, Galaxy Tab A8. So on your device you will see this message: a device is sharing, click accept. Wait a while, and cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. And that's all, newbie share working. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.